Welcome, and I'm going to introduce you to Snap. So the first thing you do is open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but it should work with other browsers. And you'll go to the website snap.berkeley.edu. And if you're new, you're going to have to join. So you're going to click join, and you're going to fill out this form: username, password, repeat password, month and birth, date, email, and then you'll check I agree, and then you click sign up. Once you've signed up, you can now log in, and it remembered my username and password. So you'll fill in your username and password, and then you log in, and you'll see this screen. Click on Run Snap, and you'll get this screen. Now this is your program development screen. It puts you in a new project called Untitled. And the most important thing from this screen is this little paper icon with the right-hand corner folded over. And we have something that's called a sprite. It's this little arrow thing. And if you click on costumes, I'll do this again. You'll click on this, then costumes. And if I put my mouse on this little lines in the little corner here, I can make it bigger. So this pop-up window, I can see more costumes at one time. So I'm going to pick a costume called Mouse 1A, but it'll work with any costume. This is just a demonstration. And when I double click Mouse 1A, you'll see that the costume gets added to the stage, which is this white square on the right. And then I say cancel. And if I highlight sprite, that's the name of the sprite, and I'll call this mouse Tom. So now the sprite has a name. And then I'll click on the paper icon again, and I'll say save as, and I'll give it a program A0 mouse. And I'm just putting 2 dashes because it sorts it alphabetically, and the 2 dashes will put it at the top of the list. And you can see I've got many programs. And then I'll say save. And now my program is A0 mouse, or -- space A0 space mouse. Now I'm going to start writing code. And in Scratch and Snap, it's like Lego blocks. So if I click move 10 steps and then turn to the right 15 degrees, see, whenever I click it, he goes around in a little circle. And if it's a white area, a white circle or white square, that means I can change the value. So I can say move 12 steps, and then have him move 24 degrees. So I can change it. Instead of clicking this block of code every time I I want to run it, there are a couple things that I can do. I can go to Control and I can say when space key pressed. And then I can save it. And then I think I just lost my code. Okay, so let's go back and do it again. I'll do Control when space key pressed, and then I'll move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, which is a little bit different. And then I click on it and I say save. And then whenever I hit the space key, he moves. And I can hit these two arrows going out, and then I can hit the space key. So that's my first program. This is just to show you the mechanics of building a program in Snap. I hit the two arrows going in, and I do one more thing. I open this program, and I pick it A0, my first A0 mouse, and highlight A0 mouse so it's blue, and I say share. Are you sure you want to share A0 mouse? And I say yes. And then now you'll see you've got the name of the program in your website address bar, and I hit cancel. So you've got snap.berkeley.edu. Your username is, my username is Michael971, and %20 means a space. So it's dash dash space, which is a %20, A0 space mouse. So you can highlight this, and in Windows I right click and I copy, and now I can paste this to an email. I can share it with my friends. I can paste it into Google Classroom or however your teacher is telling you how to submit your assignment. So this is the mechanics of building a very simple program in Snap. And I'm going to stop now, and I'll see you in the next lesson.